Hey guys, I'm Kristen. This is my YouTube and my AuthorTube channel, and today we're talking about a topic that affects me directly in a couple of weeks: why you should attend a live writing conference. Let's do this. So, a live writing conference is something that I've always wanted to do, but I've never really been sure if it was going to be profitable for me, if it was necessary for me, if I could get the information on YouTube videos. So I never really bit the bullet and decided to go. But this year I'm going to the Storymakers Conference in, I think it's Provo, Utah. I live in Salt Lake now, and so it's not too far away. And so I thought, why not? Why not give it a shot? And I am so excited, and let me tell you why. The first reason is I'm super stoked to be able to connect with other authors. Even if they're not published authors, just being able to actually talk to people like me who are in the process of writing their novels, who have a lot of it done, who maybe be a little bit ahead of me, maybe behind me, who knows. But just the ability to connect with other people who are in my kind of same genre of, not genre, but like who are kind of in my same position, is really appealing to me, and I think it'll be really beneficial to me as I kind of proceed and even like do more with the books that I'm writing. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is I think it's going to be a really great way to, I don't know, advance my writing career. At these conferences, they have talks, they have breakout sessions, they have manuscript reviews, they have like people that come, like agents and publishers that you can talk to. And I just think that the chance to get in front of some of these people, not saying like, oh, they're definitely going to publish my book, but just to learn from them, I think will be an experience that is really worthwhile, really like, I don't know, really awesome for me and for the process that I'm going through. Just because, like, I don't know what I don't know what I don't know. And so, having these breakouts and these sessions that are going to really help me and be interactive enough to the point where I can ask questions, I can follow up, I can get contact information. I can't do that on YouTube, and I can't do that randomly just on the internet. So I'm really looking forward to being in person and being able to do that. So that's going to be super awesome. I'm also really looking forward to, and this is step 3, reason 3, just learning pro tips, like learning from these authors who say, oh yeah, I submitted 73 who knows, query letters, and this is what happened that pushed me over the edge. Like little nuggets like that I'm going to be looking out for. So I'm really excited to get those pro tips, to listen to these authors, and a lot of them are published. A lot of them also like were agents and stuff before. So like there's a lot of opportunity to learn pro tips during this live and any live conference. And those pro tips are one of the many reasons that I am super excited just to, go soak up the information, not worry about work, not worry about personal relationships, not worry about anything, but like honing my craft for these, like, I think it's 3 days. So super stoked for those pro tips. I'm also, and this is number 4, there's 5 total. This is number 4. I'm also really interested in learning how to publish, like what the process is like. I have published a book before that I ghost wrote, and so I'm not completely foreign to the process, but I have never done it for fiction, and I've never done it for one that I've written. Business publishing is a lot different than fictional publishing, and I'm just really excited to learn the ins and outs, learn what I need to know, maybe some slick tips to kind of speed up the process, just stuff like that. I'm really, really interested in learning about kind of how in the world that works. Also interested in hearing other authors who may have self-published. And maybe, I mean, it's never been on my goal trajectory to self-publish, but it's not that I'm not open to it. So I am interested to hear more about the self-publishing route as well. And then just kind of, yeah, going from there and learning everything that I can about what's going on, about like in the world of publishing, what's going on in the self-publishing world, any tips and tricks that there might be that I can learn from, all of that I'm super jazzed for. Number 5 is taking motivation from all of these professionals and turning it into fuel for my books. I'm writing a mystery novel, which I'm in love with, that's based in Huntington Beach, California. It's Surf City, USA. It's about this girl who's a marketing executive by day, but she also inherits a bakery from her great aunt when she passes away. And so she's spends some time at the bakery learning the ins and outs of the town, and then she learns and then she spends the rest of her days doing marketing for the business that she works for. So that's super fun. But I'm also writing a full-time like young adult thriller as well. It's about a girl who can see into the future and is working with the FBI and the CIA to kind of avoid national catastrophes, terrorist attacks, and that type of thing. And so both are really fun to write. Both are very different, and I could use all the motivation that I can get. So I'm really looking forward to that. I just think these motivational talks that you just can't get off of YouTube. You have to be in person. You have to have face-to-face conversations. You have to meet these new people. You have to be in these workshops. And that's what I'm really, really excited for, is the motivation to keep going, to make it the best that I can. And so that's why I'm doing a live conference. Let me know if you've been to a live conference in the comments below. I'm super excited. It's in a few weeks. So I'll probably do like daily vlogs at the end of each day with some sweet, sweet nuggets to share with y'all. But until then, yeah, keep writing, and I will see you guys in my next video.